What's going on, guys? I know I haven't updated in a little while. I've been busy with work. Some of you know that I travel to the East Coast for the week. I just got back and there's a couple things I need to take care of. For one, I have a tire light on the dash from when I installed the wheels and tires that it just came up recently. So I'm gonna go to the tire shop and get that reset because I hate having lights on my dash. I mean, like everybody does. So that said, last time that I installed my last set of wheels and tires, the car automatically picked up the sensors. Same person that I buy them from every time on eBay. It's 40-50 bucks for a brand new set of sensors. I mean, you can't beat that. So for the 2017 and plus Q60 and 2016 plus Q60, pretty much the 3.0s, it is a 433 hertz sensor that goes in each wheel, and for the 3.7s, you guys can pretty much say it's a 315 hertz sensor that goes in the wheel. So we're gonna go to the tire shop, get that reset, give you guys in a bit. Just like that, Discount Tire got me together. They literally just reset the sensors, which is all I needed, and the car picked them right up. Now the front's a little bit high, but nothing we can't take care of. But right now, guys, I'm going to show you guys from the car from the outside, because I don't think I've shown it since I actually installed the wheels. So yeah, my fault, guys, my fault. I didn't even get it on camera with the whole thing about getting the car back and everything. So yeah, let's get out the car real quick and show you guys what it looks like from the outside with the wheels. But I will say my rear left coilover needs to be lowered about a 1/4 inch to match the rear, and so we're probably gonna get taken care of that later today. But let's get out the car real quick. Here we go. So yeah, guys, before I show you guys the T's, I know somebody's gonna say something in the comments. I do have a paint defect here. I scratched it with a torque wrench by accident, torquing down my stock wheels about a couple months back. So I got to get the self-repair kit to touch that up, or see what I can do to fix that. I was looking around for a liquid wrap on this car. I don't know how that whole process goes, how long it it lasts, and how good it looks after quite some time, because we do get some rough weather here in good old Michigan. But today, not a perfect example, I guess. But yeah, here are the TE37s on the car. They're 18 by 10, 20 offsets, and the tires are 275 40 18s, of course, and they are the Indy 500s that you guys have been talking about, that I've been talking about. Everyone's talking about them. They're probably one of the best bang for your buck tire. They're really comfortable, really grippy, really aggressive. They almost look like a drag radio. So yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. This side, actually, I need to lower it about a 1/4 of an inch to get everything even all around. But hopefully the camera's doing some kind of justice. I know this GoPro 7 has a wide angle, but let me get a close up here. You guys can see what they look like. They are ceramic coated. That one's actually really dirty, but they are ceramic coated. And yeah, they're not, the concave is not that deep, but they look really aggressive. This car driving looks really aggressive. So I like the way it came out. I believe I did my homework on that. So next up, guys, is pretty much what we're gonna try to go back to where we were as far as the car was. I need an exhaust back on the car, so we're gonna do that tonight. And let's see. Yeah, because the stock exhaust here, this is bothering me. This alone is enough to bother me. The fact that it doesn't even go past the bumper, it looks retarded if you're standing right next to it, and it's just too quiet for me. So let's get the exhaust back on, down pipes, and you guys know what comes after that. So yeah, hopefully you guys like the T37s. This is like my dream set of wheels ever, in this color with the red decal and everything. So this is like a dream come true for me, and hopefully you guys enjoy it as well on the channel. So this is gonna be my next set of wheels, probably for a couple of years to come. So let me know what you guys think about the Q60 in summer. Liquid wrap or no liquid wrap, and what color would you guys wrap it? And here we are. We're gonna put the Catback exhaust back on. First, I gotta loosen up this back end mufflers. Just gonna install the X pipe with the entire X pipe together. Mufflers last, but before we do any of that, we have to install these puppies right here, down pipes. So I did switch to the AMS 3-inch down pipes. We're gonna put those on. Letting the car cool down because it's really hot, and I also have some more goodies here. Oil catch can, coolant expansion tank, and of course blow valves. Can't miss those. So we do have quite a bit to do here today. So I'm letting the car cool down, and also something that happened to me, you guys. Maybe this happened to you before, but let me know what you guys think is wrong with this picture. The intake sticker, it must have gotten really, really hot in there. Or the car was just at the dealership for 30 days. When it came back, the stickers were falling off. So I don't know if they sucked at getting this intake system off to the point where they snatched them off, or did it on purpose, whatever the case may be. But that was not cool. Shout out to AMS, so they got me new ones. They just have to prep the surface, pretty much clean it off pretty good, and then put the new ones back on, which I'll be happy to do. So in the meantime, let's get this car in the air. I have to get that done. get everything, make sure I have ready for the install for the exhaust and everything. Actually, exhaust is actually fully together right now, so it's just a matter of getting the downpipes on. I'll have all the hardware over there and getting on the car. God damn, these wheels look good. Can't stop looking at them. I almost forgot we can't forget about the drive shaft, so that's got to go in as well. Got the exhaust apart, downpipes ready. The rest of the stuff is over there. So yeah, the car's up in the air now. I am going to start by beginning by taking the stock exhaust off. Once I take the stock exhaust off, I'm going to be taking off all that paneling for the drive shaft install and then move it on to the downpipes. So like I said, this video is going to be sort of a quick DIY of every single thing that's going to be installed, but not in a DIY format, just kind of like a small time lapse. I'm also only going to be installing one thing at a time, because if I do too many, you know, something goes wrong, I get a code or whatever, I need to know to pinpoint it after what I just installed. So keep that in mind when you're installing a whole bunch of parts at once in the car as well. Just like that, with very little effort, the stock exhaust is off. I actually got new gaskets, it looked like, when I got the car back from the dealership. So you guys know me, I always work on the floor, cardboard. No issue there. My back's gonna hurt like hell later, but it is what it is. Stock exhaust off. Next up, removal the stock drive shaft and install the aftermarket one. So disaster just really struck. The nut that holds the bracket for the drive shaft, there's two of them. One of them is completely rounded off. I did not leave it like that, so I don't know what the hell Infiniti did when they put this car back together. And the lower cat support bracket nut or bolt is completely rounded off as well. So now I'm gonna have to leave this in the hands of a professional to at least just replace the bolts, and then I can do the rest. Or maybe just have to take it to a shop and get both of those things installed by a shop, which I hate to do because I like really saving on labor. And yeah, this sucks. I'm only gonna be limited to installing my Catback exhaust today. Maybe it's for the better, I guess. Today, gonna install my Catback exhaust and my blow-off valves and call it a day for the day. But I'm really tired already as it is. Spent about an hour and a half trying to get these bolts off, and they're not coming off. So we'll make do with what we have, and then we'll continue on a later day. Sadly, this is where I'm going to be ending the clip at. I have my exhaust installed. There it is, my Fast and Intentions Catback exhaust. I resonated. So what I'm going to do now is just leave the Catback on, and we'll install the drive shaft and downpipes at a later date, because there's two bolts that I can't get to, and that's definitely going to be a problem. So for now, this video is over. Enjoy a little bit of a sound clip from the exhaust with stock cats on the car. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy that small rev on the Catback only. I do wish I could have, you know, made more modifications today, like the drive shaft and the downpipes, but we hit a hard stop with the bolts that are seized up and the other one that's rounded. So I'm just gonna wait, possibly get it to a professional to get it done. I just don't feel comfortable doing that in the garage right now. Plus, when you work so much and you get tired, you just start to get pissed, so there's no point. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and you probably will see another video from me next weekend, because I am currently traveling out of state for the whole week and I don't have a chance to upload. So if I do upload, it'll be via my cell phone, and I do plan on meeting some of you guys in Dallas. By the way, I'll be in Dallas this week coming, so in the evening hours, afternoon hours. If you guys want to meet up and let me review your queue or whatever the case may be, hit me up. I'm going to be in Dallas sometime after 4 or 5 p.m. Go ahead, DM me on Instagram or Facebook, whatever, and we can link up. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.